SquadChi! This is Sachi Gomez and I'm back for another vlog after 999 years! Just an update about my life. I've been quite busy these days because of a lot of things, gaming and music related. And a good news to everybody, I was recently invited to be one of Anime Village's musical guest artists to perform a 2-day concert at the Anime Village in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. The experience was surreal that I still can't believe na nag-perform ako sa napakalaking crowd mag-isa sa napakalaking stage. Wow. It was such an honor to be there and I'm so happy. So, the reason that this is not the usual cover song video I'm usually posting is that I'll be unboxing a brand new a gaming laptop from MSI! Thank you, MSI Gaming! Guys, this gaming laptop is no other than the MSI GE76 RAIDER 10 UG. It is said to be MSI's most powerful gaming laptop yet, that this can even match most gaming desktop setups nowadays in terms of specs and power. Ready na ba kayo guys? Because I'm so ready! We're finally unboxing this beast! I actually expected it to be heavier, but no, it's actually pretty light that it's hard to believe that it's MSI's most powerful gaming laptop. Like, for real. However, you do know that many technologies nowadays are getting miniaturized, so it's amazing that this laptop is powered by the 10th gen Intel Core i7 processor. Adding to the power of that processor is one of the latest graphics cards to date, which is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080. Sheesh! Now, let's try booting up the gaming laptop and give our first impressions on it later on. And oh, MSI also has its latest 12th gen processor laptops available. The processor and graphics card make it a suitable choice already for gaming, coupled with up to 64